Radio Wala. Radio Wala. Radio Wala.
Views expressed by hosts, guests and callers on this show and on other stations on Radio Wala are purely personal and not that of this radio station, its staff, management and owners of Radio Wala Private Limited, its subsidiaries, partners and affiliates. All calls can be used for public broadcast at another time by Radio Wala and its subsidiaries, its affiliates and partners. Now, on to the show.
It's time to go between the sheets. Environment. Hopefully you are between the sheets. You've settled down. You've done with whatever it is that you did for the day. Let your hair down, cleaned up, washed up, all ready to get dirty all over again. Yeah. See, it's funny how perceptions are so real. You know, most people when they ask me, "Oh, so you do a show between the sheets?" And I'm like, "Yeah. Man, you got the best job in the world. I'd love to talk about sex." I'm like, "Yeah, but that's not all what we do here." So this idea of this sex between the sheets has a lot more novelty than the real idea behind the show between the sheets. So I play to the galleries and I just don't say much. Whatever brings them here, and then finally, hopefully, when they do come here, I just hope they like the variety of discussions we have on the show that range from sex to sexuality to relationships and any other aspect of life that can affect our lives between the sheets. Now, I could have named this show Between the Ears as well because it has something to do with our mind, isn't it? But then the perception on that would be completely different. So I love perception. I love doing this show. For how long? It's for time to tell. I'm thinking of doing the Tendulkar, if you know what I mean. But for now, we're here and chilled out between the sheets. And let's get this show on the road, right? We're talking about fidelity, faithfulness, okay? Are you faithful? Are you loyal? What does it mean to you? Do you think you can have two different partners and be loyal to both of them? The answer to that is pretty simple. But do you think it's right or wrong? What do you think about that? Does it mean that while you're with one person, even looking or thinking about another person is considered infidelity, disloyal, unfaithful? Or does it mean that to be faithful, you shouldn't even have thoughts about other people, leave alone acting on those thoughts? Do you think fidelity, being faithful, loyalty is the fabric, the foundation of what we know as relationships or committed relationships? So if you have friends and family across the world and you'd like them to get into this, feel free to share. Feel free to share information about this show via the share button on your players and then post it on their timeline on Facebook if they are, or send it to their Google email, or just text them to tune in. Well, thank you for doing that in advance. Let's get down to what we're doing, talking about fidelity. We're talking about loyalty, faithfulness. What do you believe is true for our times, or true for your life for that matter? Is being faithful really important? And how do you define being faithful? Is there a particular definition that you follow for your own life code? Because I'll tell you, there is what the social structure prescribes as being faithful, and then there is your own code of conduct for a personal you, and you've got your own definition of it, and you live by that code. You're a citizen of society, but you're also a citizen of yourself. Are they in conflict with each other? Or do you work in harmony with the definitions from both? How do you define fidelity? What is fidelity? What is loyalty? Have you been a victim of infidelity? Have you been, or are you, in a committed relationships, and has your partner strayed? Do you think he or she has been unfaithful? How so? In what way? What is the definition of unfaithful? Was she or he truly unfaithful, or is that what's in your head because you have a definition of being faithful or not? If your partner so much as laughs and hangs out with another person of the opposite sex, does that constitute? Do you think that constitutes being unfaithful? Or is that person unfaithful only if they make physical contact with the other person? Even if that physical contact is purely platonic. Can a person be emotionally attached to someone without a physical relationship while being in a committed relationship? Would that be called infidelity or being unfaithful? The idea of loyalty has inured the times from all the reading and literature and scriptures that I see. By and large, social diktat has been that faithfulness and loyalty and fidelity are the cornerstone of our social structure. But every once in a while, you see the smatterings of a change, or the winds of change coming by in our social structure today. Are you a traditional person, or are you a new age thinking person where you feel that definitions of fidelity have to be altered to suit our changing lifestyles and our personal choices when it comes to intimacy and relationships? I know it's a mouthful, ladies and gentlemen. We could simplify this and boil down to a couple of questions and see where you fall in with your thoughts. Now, recently, I think Irfan Khan, the Bollywood actor, made a statement where it's okay to hang out with 10 other women as long as we know where we want to live and who we want to live with. Was he right? Do you agree with what he said? Now, what Irfan Khan said was, in an interview, he says, I think a sanctified marriage is when you have an option to sleep with 10 people, but you are still choosing the one person to live with. And that one person that you've chosen to live with, in spite of the 10 people you go sleep with, does that make you a loyal person? Someone who's committed? What's your take on it, ladies and gentlemen? What's your thing? What do you think? Can you be loyal to more than one person? Can you possibly be in love with two people at the same time and be loyal to both of them? What's your idea of fidelity, of loyalty, faithfulness? Is being faithful to one person essential for a relationship? Welcome Between the Sheets.
Hi, Anil.
Hi, how's it going?
I'm Naveen.
Yes, Naveen. Looks like, you're going to call every show from now on.
आज का आपको टॉपिक बहुत अच्छा है.
तो इस पर आपकी क्या टिप्पणी है?
मेरी टिप्पणी ये कि एक्चुअली ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप एक साथ एक से ज्यादा रिलेशनशिप में रह सकते हैं.
एक साथ दो रिलेशनशिप में रह सकते हैं?
दो, उससे ज्यादा भी.
अच्छा, तो एक से ज्यादा?
हाँ, गर्ल्स तो ये अक्सर करती हैं. देखिए, जैसे कि कोई साथ.
भाई साहब, आप पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक इतना बड़ा आरोप लगा रहे हो, ये सोचकर कि शायद तुम इस पर बहस करने बहुत लड़कियां अभी फोन करेंगी. तुम उन पर एक बड़ा आरोप लगा रहे हो. You got a caller here. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Anonymous.
Oh yeah, but you can pick a name that is pretty fake.
Pretty fake.
Yeah.
You can name me. You can name me anyone of your choice.
You want me to give you a name?
Yep.
What kind? Traditional or something really
As you
modern?
wish.
Well, something
I
you
don't
like.
mind anyone.
Because that could be your name on this show forever. You could use that every time you call.
Yeah, sure.
So which one? Pick an
You
alphabet.
did. Sorry?
Pick an alphabet.
A.
A.
Yes.
So I can call you Antara.
That's too traditional for me.
Really?
Yeah.
I asked you first to make your choice. At least tell me.
Then
Look, you can't say anything and then have a problem with something.
Okay, fine. Antara is fine.
Antara is fine, huh?
Yes.
Super. So Antara,
Yeah.
what's your take on this?
According to me, being faithful is like, you know what, if you're committed into a relationship, then you have to be focused on only that relationship or only on that person only.
You have to be, or should you want to be?
You have to be.
See, that becomes a rule, isn't it?
Yes, you can say that. Although you want to be, but you know the human nature. It's not possible every time to be faithful to a person.
So
But ideally, you have to be.
So you're suggesting or admitting that generally human beings are polygamous, but
You
they have to
say that.
refrain from that urge and temptation and
but
focus on that one person.
Yes, you have to focus on one person because down the track, if you concentrate, you know what happens after a long time. Ultimately, you have to land up with that person only. No matter what you do, you can hang around with 10 or 20 other girls. You can have fun, but ultimately, the person you are committed to, it's she who has to be with you all the time. If you look as a life partner to her.
Right. Do you think these definitions change with people aging?
Well, actually, they change. Like the previous caller said, actually, you know what? He was very wrong in the context that he said कि सारी लड़कियां जो हैं आजकल वो तो बहुत ही that's a very debatable issue. And I would like to tell that caller that ऐसा नहीं है.
Looks like he's on air.
Oh,
Yes,
is he?
yes, I'm listening to you. Call connect together.
There's going to be a fight between us on that. You know what, Anil?
Round one.
I mean, I'm a very faithful person in a relationship. I've been into a relationship since 4 years. I've never
But
been
is he
attracted
faithful?
to any guy.
You've never felt any attraction to any guy.
No.
I mean, I don't mean acting on it, but at least कोई राह चलता कोई आदमी तो कोई अच्छा नहीं लगा.
See, that's something else. That is human nature. That is like
Okay, तो
temporary attraction.
वहाँ
But the
हाँ
attraction
नहीं
is
temporary
permanent.
attraction. अच्छा, now we are starting to make a little fine print rules over here.
Okay.
Temporary attraction ठीक है वो सही है.
हाँ, वो
और क्या exempt है इसमें?
नहीं, वो जब बात आती है ना कि मतलब उसे परमानेंटली तुम दिमाग में फिट करके बैठ जाओ कि नहीं यार, मतलब मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड इज नॉट दैट गुड, दैट गर्ल इज वेरी गुड, दैट शी इज वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, शी इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, शी इज बेटर देन हर. यार यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है. तो ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना, जब तुमने पहले किसी को प्लेस दिया तो तुम उसे वहां पर दो प्लेस.
मैं भी साइड करूं.
हाँ जी,
हाँ नवीन क्या कह रहे हो?
मैं भी साइड करूं.
हाँ तुम भी
हाँ
करो.
जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
हाँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जो एक रिलेशनशिप होता है उसमें सारी नीड एक ही पर्सन से हमेशा पूरी नहीं हो पाती.
I understand
नीड्स ऐसी
that.
होती है कि
आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट
और के
अगर
पास
वो
जाना पड़ता है.
रिलेशनशिप आप कह रहे हो तो फिर आप उसे रिलेशनशिप टर्म ही क्यों करते हो? देन आप रिलेशनशिप में आओ ही मत, आप सिंगल रहो. अगर आपको एक ही पर्सन से सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं चाहिए, देन यू कैन हैंग अराउंड विद 10 अदर गर्ल्स. यू कैन सेटिस्फाई
नॉट
योरसेल्फ.
पॉसिबल ना. इट इज प्रैक्टिकली
Yeah.
नॉट पॉसिबल.
I know practically it's not possible, but then there is something called compromising, dude. कहीं ना कहीं आपको compromise करना पड़ता है to satisfy the other person, to make a place.
Compromise is a illusion.
Sorry?
Compromise is a illusion.
I know it's an illusion. A person, see, a human can never be satisfied. आप उसे कितना भी दे दो, उसको he'll want more than that. You can never be satisfied. ये तो fact है.
Now, do you think that has something to do with the inherent characteristic of a man and a woman? I mean, the DNA is designed not to be.
Satisfied, I know that.
मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल है. मैं
Sure.
हेलो.
तुम तो बड़े
हाँ,
हंसमुख टाइप के हो यार.
Oh Lord.
मेरा एक दोस्त है. मतलब ही इज very good friend of mine. He have around 3-4 girlfriends, but
Okay.
he's managing all the girls very nicely and no one knows कि वो किसी और के साथ भी है.
But see, dude, long term में नहीं चलने वाला. One day or the other, एक लड़की को पता चला तो उसकी जो बैंड बजने वाली है.
नहीं पता लगेगा ना.
अगर पता चल भी गया ना तो वो लड़का है and he's never going to tell you. I'm telling you. See, guys have this problem भाई कि वो सबको बोलते रहते हैं मेरा तो इतनी लड़कियों के साथ चल रहा है, किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा है.
वो सही है कि गलत है वो भी पता नहीं.
That's what I'm saying.
सच में लड़के बहुत मतलब फ्लेवर होते हैं इन सब चीजों को.
हाँ, men
बहुत
can never be satisfied. I agree on that. But you know what?
लड़की मतलब कोई गर्ल होती है वो छिपा नहीं पाती है. पता लग
देखो यार,
जाता
मेरे
है.
को किसी और का नहीं पता है अनिल, बट टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई एम वेरी सती सावित्री एंड ऑल, बट टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, मतलब आई हैव कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड इन लाइफ. मतलब in case my boyfriend is lacking somewhere, then I don't like proving him a point कि ठीक है यार, you have to come up and you have to improve that point of yours. I compromise because no one can be perfect, right? Even I'm not perfect. But when it comes to, but there comes a certain point when the other person starts benefiting from that compromise of yours. That is the thing that goes wrong. That you are doing all the things right and the other person is not realizing that. He's like, okay, she's comfortable with me and I can do anything that I want to.
हाँ, बट मेरे ख्याल से तो एक पर्सन बहुत ही आसानी से एक से ज्यादा रिलेशनशिप मैनेज कर सकता है.
बिल्कुल कर सकता है रूट, बट वो जो मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन है ना वो
लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए मैनेज कर सकता है, मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन में दे सकता है.
पर आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, अगर आप 2 रिलेशनशिप में एक टाइम पे होगे ना तो आपके दिमाग में वो जो एक हर टाइम टेंशन लगेगी ना, उसको ना पता चल जाए या उसको ना पता चल जाए,
नहीं ये
आप ओवरकम नहीं कर सकते.
शॉर्ट होता है.
अच्छा अंतरा,
हाँ जी,
अगर मैं कहूँ कि तुम्हारी आवाज से मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो गया है, अब मैं ठहरा शादीशुदा,
अच्छा,
अब मैं फेथफुल हूँ कि मैं अनफेथफुल हो गया अभी?
ये तो धर्म संकट आ गया.
आपको मेरी आवाज से प्यार हुआ है, आपको
तो क्या हुआ वो? अरे तुम्हारी आवाज ही तुम्हारी आवाज है ना.
हाँ जी. You are faithful in that context because
अनिल आपसे कह रहे हैं कि आपको
इनको आपसे प्यार हो गया. Listening all these things by the way.
नवीन तो बड़ा हंसमुख चीज है.
हाँ, he's enjoying.
रोएगा तब भी हंस के ही रोएगा.
Too excited to come on air, aren't you?
अच्छा नहीं, seriously अंतरा.
हाँ जी.
Your voice is your voice. It's you.
Yes.
There is no way that you're going to like everything about a person. See, your boyfriend, for example. Do you love him because of everything about him, or you have a few things that you really love him for, which then makes you love him for him?
I have a few things. I'm very much attracted to him.
Correct.
So,
like that, I'm attracted to your voice, which is part of you.
Yeah, I know. And you know what?
Yeah.
He hardly compliments me about my voice, which I love, and I want to be a radio jockey.
I also want to be it.
ओए नवीन चुप कर थोड़ी देर यार.
Naveen so wants to be a comedian, I think so.
यार रेडियो जॉकी कॉमेडियन से कम नहीं होता, वो भी उसका काम होता है.
Competition over here.
यार नवीन क्यों टांग अड़ा रहा है मेरे बीच में यार? मैं यहाँ सेटिंग कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, go on, Anil.
She is committed.
No, I'm not. Yes.
नवीन तुसी जा यार.
Oh God.
हम मुझे मेरे हाल पे छोड़ दे यार.
कबाब में हड्डी.
हाँ. नवीन भाई बोला तेरे को यार.
नहीं, मैंने भाई नहीं बोला, ऐसे कबाब में हड्डी.
नहीं मैंने भाई बोला नवीन को.
Oh God. Does that make a difference?
विनती कर रहा हूँ यार नवीन.
मैं सुन रहा हूँ, तो आप कैरी ऑन.
थैंक यू यार.
अच्छा इजाजत हो तो.
हाँ अंतरा.
हाँ जी.
तो am I being unfaithful now?
You are complimenting me, right?
No, I'm telling you, I didn't say I love your voice.
Yes.
I said I love you so much because of your voice.
But I'm not accepting that.
That's no. I'm not proposing to you. I'm expressing my feelings towards you, whether you accept or not. Does that make me unfaithful now? But Antara, on the other hand, swears by fidelity being total commitment, regardless of any side attraction or temporary affection for somebody else who comes by in your life.
Yeah.
So Naveen, अगर तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड को भी ये विचार उनके भी होंगे?
नहीं, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है.
अगर होती तो अभी तुम्हारे ये विचार हैं इसीलिए नहीं है.
ऐसा नहीं है.
तो कैसा है यार?
He has dated 4 other girls at the same time.
अब ये इरफान खान की जो इंटरव्यू थी वहां पे कह रहा है कि अगर 10 लोगों के साथ सो पाओ पर किसी एक के साथ ही रहना है. अगर इरफान की बीवी को भी ये अच्छा लगे ये ख्याल और वो भी 10 लोगों के साथ सोने लगी पर रहेगी सिर्फ इरफान के साथ.
ये क्या होता है, जैसे एक कोई बिल्डिंग बनती है तो उसकी नींव मजबूत होनी चाहिए, तभी तो बिल्डिंग खड़ी होगी ना.
भाई साहब तो ये तुम्हारी सारी बातें मैं मान गया, पर क्या आप ये मानोगे कि अगर तुम्हारा जो पार्टनर है वो भी ये ख्यालात रखती हैं तो आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी?
मेरे ख्यालात आप पूरी तरह समझ नहीं पाए.
समझाओ भाई, शायद मैं कुछ नहीं समझ पाया. You're right. समझाओ, मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
देखिए, मल्टीपल पार्टनर्स का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सबसे क्लोजनेस मतलब एक खास होता है, बाकी सब सिर्फ कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं.
बाकी सब छास.
बाकी सब कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होते हैं, मतलब कुछ कोई अलग नीड करे, कुछ अलग के लिए.
तो उसे
जैसे कि बिल्डिंग होती है, उसकी नींव मजबूत होनी चाहिए, तो नींव मेन होती है, के ऊपर बिल्डिंग बनती है. तो ये मैं कहना चाहता हूँ.
Can I add something?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
But अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म में देखते हो, if you want to marry someone, obviously तो नवीन के अकॉर्डिंगली तो वो भी परफेक्ट नहीं होगी, उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी होंगी जिनसे नीड्स चाहिए होंगे सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए, राइट? तो क्या आप 4-5 और शादियां करोगे कि ये वाला नहीं satisfy?
मैं कह रहा हूँ उसके लिए मैं खास हूँ, बाकी सब
हाँ, तो ये तेरे लिए एक तरफा है ये फलसफा तुम्हारा.
नहीं सर, बट करंट सिनेरियो का बता रहा था मैं, फ्यूचर का.
भाई साहब, ये मेरे शो में तुम कह दिए बड़े सीना तान के, पर ये बाहर किसी से ना कहना, वरना तुम अपना हाथ जगन्नाथ पे रह जाओगे. है भाई? तो नवीन जी,
हाँ जी,
आपकी बात मैंने सुन ली. अब मुझे इनके साथ जरा बात करने दो यार.
ठीक है.
हाँ, थैंक्स buddy. Is it possible to be in love with two people?
It is possible, but it is not possible to be faithful with both of them at the same time.
मतलब? So you're in love with two people at the same time, okay?
No, I'm not.
Hypothetically.
Okay.
All right. Okay, just say you're in love with one person and then you're completely, totally, passionately attracted to another person.
Okay.
Possible?
Yes, done.
Has it ever happened to you?
I've been attracted to a person, but I haven't fallen in love with him.
Doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. You bring a good point.
Yeah.
So you're in love with one person.
Yes.
And you're attracted to another person.
Yeah.
That attraction could be for various reasons.
Exactly.
Okay. Now you're completely aphysical. You are not intimate physically.
Yeah.
But you share a lot of yourself mentally and emotionally with him.
Exactly.
But you're not in love with him. You're not in love, okay? Mind you. Now, is that an okay situation? Are you being faithful to one person?
What? That actually happened in my life. I was getting attracted to a guy. But then one day what happened...
Suddenly changed.
Let me complete. You know what? It was a temporary attraction. You know what? Temporary attraction that I told you in the pregnant. So then there was some guilt feeling in myself कि यार अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगी and कल को my boyfriend does the same, and I won't like that, right?
Right.
So I stopped that. I stopped contacting that person.
Well, good. So you had to pick one, and you picked your boyfriend.
Yes.
You could have easily picked the other guy as well.
Yeah, I have. I could have.
You know what Johnny Depp says, right?
What does he say?
Johnny Depp says that if you love two people at the same time,
choose the other one.
Choose the second one.
But I chose the first one because I'm more comfortable with him.
Is it comfort that took you back?
Maybe I'm addicted.
Or maybe maybe it's a habit?
Yeah, habit, addiction, you can say that. I mean, I've never felt that way with someone else. That is why...
Well, because you spend most time with him. If you give somebody that much time, you probably get addicted to that person too. Because if you're a creature of habit, clearly, if you're by your own admission right now, then you could become a creature of habit with just me. If I speak to you on a daily basis, you share all your deepest, darkest moments with me and I with you. Eventually, wo ho jayega,
that's what happened between us. That's what happened. Exactly, that's what happened. We used to talk on a daily basis and then we got committed.
See? Hello. Welcome Between the Sheets.
Hello, Anil. Sumit.
Yes, Sumit.
I just called to say to Anil, the views Naveen said was totally worthless, useless things. And just देखना बोलूँगा, नवीन तुम्हारे जो व्यूज थे उसे लॉयल्टी नहीं चीटिंग कहते हैं.
अच्छा, चीटिंग जैसे कोई शब्द है नहीं सुमित. जागो इंसान, जागो.
I guess he got hurt.
चला गया.
हाँ, he was just here to convey the message.
All right, Sumit. I guess Naveen heard what you have to say, but
नवीन तो बहुत कुछ सुनने वाला है आज.
नहीं, at least look, नवीन को क्या दाद देनी चाहिए उसे?
हाँ, वैसे yeah, you can say that. I mean, he has his own viewpoint and he has come up with that.
Yeah, यही बड़ी बात है.
You know, very awkward viewpoint.
No, but at least he's honest about what he thinks. और ऐसे लोग कम मिलते हैं आजकल because
we all know that. Come on.
क्या?
That viewpoint never helps anyone.
Actually, if you come deep down into it and you examine, it's better to be with someone where you know where you stand, rather than somebody who's going to pretend to be something else and then later you find out something else. It's easier to just be with an honest guy. At least you know he's going to be honest.
Yeah, and that's what the qualities that generally a girl searches in a guy. That he has to be what he pretends. I mean, he's not fake at least.
So Antara.
Yes, Anil.
You're never going to be in that situation again, are you?
No, I'm not.
Wasn't comfortable?
No, it wasn't.
All of this is part of the same story. I wouldn't call it a problem because I have my own liberal views about this. If you turn around and ask me if what rule applies to me is applying to my wife, I'd say yes. Then you'll say, कहना बड़ा आसान है, पर जब होगा, तब तुम रोगे, तड़पोगे और जलोगे. भाई, जब होगा तब हम देखेंगे ना. तब तक हम क्यों उस पर टेंशन लगाएं? मेरे ख्याल से अब तक हुआ नहीं, तो तुम कहोगे तुम्हें कैसे पता? मुझे पता नहीं. जितना मुझे पता है वो अब तक हुआ नहीं है. और जब होगा तब देखा जाएगा. So do you think this thing about faithfulness, the definition changes with age?
It does.
It does?
Yes.
Any theories on why?
As you become mature, you know what the priorities are. It changes with priorities. You start linking it with priorities. What are your priorities become? What do you expect your partner to be faithful in? I think that.
So how old are you now?
I am 21.
And when you're 30, what do you think you're going to do?
At that time, I just want my partner to be with me. Obviously, he'll have no other chance than me. So,
what's that?
Priority.
What's that? Obviously what?
Obviously, he'll be with me only. I'll be married, right?
Yeah, but being married doesn't mean he's going to be with you. Only a possibility
most of the time, he'll be with me.
What about the other times when he's not?
I'll be able to keep a check on him. I mean,
the police
more of the time as compared to
So tell me, if you're going to keep a check on him and police his activities, does that mean he's with you, or you're just creating no opportunity for him to show what he really feels? Yeah. So I was saying that you're saying मैं उसको मौका नहीं दूंगी, पकड़ के रखूंगी.
नहीं. I mean, मौका देने वाली बात नहीं है. He obviously वो मेरे साथ ज़्यादा टाइम रहेगा.
ज़्यादा time is a different thing than सारा time.
वो तो है, but since he's out, I cannot keep a camera on him 24/7.
Fair enough, that's surveillance. But the point is, what if he feels the need?
I want him to be more responsible towards me at that point of time.
And when you're 40, what do you think is going to happen?
For my kids, he has to be responsible. I mean, before doing any affair or something, he has to think that I have kids, I have a wife in my home, so I should not do anything.
So he's still going to be a good father. He may not be a great husband.
Let's hope not.
और ये तुम्हारे साथ भी हो सकता है. Maybe he gets so bored of you that he starts neglecting you.
Oh, he'll never get bored of me. I'm so entertainment, I tell you.
At 21, yes, I agree. You're going to be the best entertainment you'll ever have. At 40, it may be different.
Oh, please. But you know what? Talking about different kinds of entertainment and talking about that thing as well that is going in your mind right now, when you're around 50 or 60, then you cannot depend on your partner for that thing.
What thing?
The physical part. At that point of time only, it's the communication that keeps both of them together.
All right. So what if he finds someone like half his age for that physical part, but he's emotionally with you and
that much better? Would he be able to perform that much better?
That's between him and that person. तुम्हें क्या?
नहीं, तक बताइए. But ultimately, it's communication that has to go on. I think so. Please.
He'll still communicate with you. It's not like he won't.
Obviously, he has to.
Yeah, but communication is different from fornication.
But, oh, Anil, you have so much ifs and buts. You've confused me.
No, you've done it all by yourself.
No, I haven't.
See, it's one thing to be, to have the power of your own convictions, which is great, laudable. I'm just trying to insert a few more thoughts. It's still up to you. You're going to be strong about it, I'm sure. But ye sab ho sakta hai, and it's good to know that this could happen, and therefore you prepare better for it, rather than saying, obviously wo mere saath hi rahega. Nahi, kuch bhi obvious nahi hai. That's taking it for granted.
Well, that's also true.
All right. My name's Anil. The show's called Between the Sheets.